Technology drives Huatai's grain and oil machinery. Quality builds global confidence. We specialize in integrated R&D, design, manufacturing, and trade of complete processing solutions, with multiple independent patents in soybean, sunflower seed, and palm fruit oil production. Huatai leads innovation in the industry. Today, we spotlight Huatai's complete sunflower seed and cottonseed oil production line, featuring 3 core technologies that help clients boost production efficiency and product quality. The first is low-temperature pressing. Sunflower seeds are cleaned and destined, while cotton seeds go through self-cleaning aspiration and magnetic separation. Both then move on to crushing and dehealing. In this stage, cotton seeds enter the crusher via screw conveyor, while sunflower seeds go to Huatai's patented centrifugal impact dehooler, ensuring high kernel integrity with a capacity of 150 to 200 tons per day. After kernel shell separation, the sunflower kernels enter the flaking mill, then move to the steaming and pressing section. The screened sunflower and cottonseed kernels are fed into the cooker via distribution screw conveyors. Designed for dual-function use, the cooker steams and roasts the materials, which are then pressed in the oil expeller. The crude sunflower and cottonseed oil is collected through a clarification tank and filtered using a vibrating filter. Huatai's self-developed intelligent control system ensures real-time monitoring, early warnings, and energy-efficient, eco-friendly operation. Next, we'll explore our innovative solvent extraction technology for sunflower and cottonseed oil. Partner with Huatai for next-gen smart oil plant leadership.